Losing weight is never easy, and losing weight quickly, that's even harder. Fortunately, there's a great system that will help you lose 1 to 2 pounds every day for the first 7 days that you use it. That system is the 3-week diet, and it will change your life. The 3-week diet is a system that can help you to melt away body fat by utilizing a diet system tailored specifically for your body. And this is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The 3-week diet is meant to help real people with real weight loss problems. It's easy to dismiss this program, especially since so many of the programs, they just fail you. But this, I'm telling you, it is the real thing. The fat burning secrets in this plan, they actually work. And unlike many other diets, this system provides you with a way to change your life. The 3-week diet is a 3-part system that impacts every aspect of your health. Not only does it include a diet that is tailored for your body, but it also has a full workout plan that is designed to help you shed fat quick. What really sets the system apart is that there is a third element, which helps motivate you and aid in creating a health-centered mindset. Taken together, these 3 elements form a system that will help you to lose weight and actually keep it off. Losing weight is a possibility with the right help. The 3-week diet will not only help you to lose weight, but it can also help you to change the way that you live.